dude, all this time I've been like, oh my god, I sound like a 50-year-old man. Oh my god, I sound like an old lady. But really, who I really sound like is Marge freaking Simpson. I was like, JoJo Siwa, dream guest on my podcast. I sound like Marge Simpson. Nobody fucking told me. Somebody please cast me as her. Like, if they need a replacement, if something happens to that person, God, I hope that does. I hope it doesn't happen. Oh my god, I'm regretting what I'm saying. But the thing is, if somebody needs another Marge Simpson, like, I can do it. I can do it. Or if like the person who's playing her quits, I'm here. I'm here. I'm please. I'm so available. I'm so available. Call me.